Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now. Confirm the bed is powered and motors respond, because a dead control box kills pairing. Install fresh batteries in the remote, matching polarity. Weak cells confuse the radio. Once done, move the remote to within 1 to 2 feet of the bed control box and locate the small pairing or learn button on the control module. Pressing that button prepares the bed to accept a new remote. Make sure you can see the LED on the control box before proceeding. You now perform the sync sequence. Press and hold the remote pairing combination, often 2 buttons together, for 5 to 10 seconds until the control box LED changes. The LED pattern tells you what's happening. Slow blinking usually means ready, and fast blinking usually confirms pairing. Release the buttons when you see the pairing acknowledgement, then let the bed run its calibration cycle. Do not interrupt motors. If the bed has a companion app, open it and initiate Bluetooth or Wi-Fi pairing within 30 seconds of the control LED change. You finish by testing every function. Raise, lower, memory presets, and tilt. Observe for correct movement and reasonable response time. If functions fail, power cycle the control box and try the pairing sequence again. Sometimes holding the pairing button for 15 to 20 seconds forces a reset. Make sure to replace batteries, remove interference like routers or large metal objects, and stay within 3 meters during sync. If issues persist, document LED patterns and motor noise. Those clues speed support if you call the manufacturer.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.